So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can hide an application completely on your iPhone, and it will simply not appear in searches as well. Now in order to do it, first of all press and hold an application, and here you'll see this option that says require Face ID. Click over there, and then you need to simply set it, or you can do it with some other apps as well. Like for example, if I want to hide Instagram, just simply press and hold it, and here you'll see this option of require Face ID, and that says hide and require Face ID. So just simply tap it. Now again go to the settings, and here you need to search for Instagram. Once you hide it, then go to the option of search. Then here you'll see this option that says show app in search. So just simply disable it. Now the app will not even appear in the search as well, even after hiding. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.